Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. Today we'll see looking around environmental studies workbook standard 5th. In that chapter number 2. Chapter name is A Snake and a Snake Charmer. See the main one. Choose the correct alternative from those given below each question and write its index letter alphabet in the box provided against each question. Number 1. Which instrument do snake charmers play to make the snake dance? A. A flute. B. A siren. C. A bean. D. A hollow tube. Answer is option C. A bean. Number 2. In what do snake charmers keep the snakes? Option A. In a bag. B. In a bamboo basket. C. In a tin trunk. D. In a glass box. Answer is option B. In a bamboo basket. Number 3. Which of the following animals is kept in a cage in a circuses? Option A. An elephant. B. A horse. C. A dog. D. A tiger. Answer is option D. A tiger. Number 4. Which is the favorite food of snakes? Option A. Rats. B. Rabbits. C. Squirrels. And D. Mongoose. Answer is option A. Rats. Now see main 2. Filling in the blanks in each sentence with an appropriate word. Number 1. A blank plays the bean to make the snake dance. Answer is snake charmer. A snake charmer plays the bean to make the snake dance. Number 2. Snake charmers makes blanks from the herbs they collected from forest. Answer is medicine. Snake charmers make medicine from the herbs they collected from forest. Number 3. The snake charmer's bin is made from dry bottle gourd. Means Loki, Dudhi. Number 4. People of Aryanath's family were known as Kalbelias. The people of Aryanath's families were known as Kalbelias. Now see main 3. Put a right mark in front of the statements that are true and a wrong mark in front of those that are false. See the number 1. Snake charmers keep snakes in strong tin trunks. False. Wrong. Number 2. Snake charmers can recognize poisonous snakes. True. Right. Number 3. All snakes are poisonous. Wrong. False. Number 4. When a snake bites, its poison enters the body through its fangs. Right. True. Number 4. Main 4. Match the columns appropriately. Write the correct index letter alphabet from column B in the answer column. First of all, we will see column A, that are animals. Number 1, snake. 2, ox. Number 3, donkey. Fourth one is goat. Now see column B, which one is people using them from livelihood. Number 1, potter. 2, shepherd. 3, snake charmer. 4, musician. And 5, farmer. See, number 1, snake. Snake match with the snake charmer. 2, ox. Ox match with the farmerer. Farmerer use ox in a farm. Number 3, donkey. Donkey used by potter. Okay. So match with the 1, potter. Donkey, potter. Goat. Goat match with the shepherd. Now see the next page. Main 5. Answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. Question number 1. From whom did Aryanath learn to play the bean? Answer is Aryanath learned to play the bean from his family members. Question number 2. What was snake charmer, Aryanath's grandfather, Roshannath, an expert in? Answer is snake charmer, Aryanath's grandfather, Roshan Nath was an expert in catching poisonous snakes very easily and quickly. Question number 3. From what do snake charmers make medicine? Answer is snake charmers make medicines from the herbs they collect from forest. Question number 4. What had Aryanath's father taught Aryanath about snakes? Answer is Aryanath's father had taught him how to remove a snake's poisons, fungus, and fungus means fan, and also the method of closing the tube of poison in the snake's mouth. In the snake's mouth. See the question number 5. Why are snakes considered as friends of farmers? Answer is snakes are considered as friends of farmers because they eat the rats that eat the crops. And usually rat eats the crops and destroy the crops, but these snakes eat the rat. Okay, so the friends snakes are the considered as the friends of a farmer. Question number 6. Which of the snakes found in India are poisonous? Now see which snakes are found in India that are poisonous. See it. Answer is in our country snakes like the cobra, the common krait, Russell's viper, and saw-scaled Russell's viper. These 4 types of snakes are poisonous. Okay. See the question number 7. Have you ever seen animals being used for entertainment? See, answer is yes. In the circus, I saw animals like elephants, horses, tigers, and bears being used for entertainment. Sometimes people have road shows with snakes, monkeys, and bears for entertaining people. But nowadays it's a restrict ban on the animals, so we can't able to see this type of shows. Now we will see these main 6 in the next part 2. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.